please introduce yourself and the organization that you represent today?
Thanks. My name is Udit. I represent Sat Health and Wellness. We're a coaching platform primarily in functional medicine, and we focus on hand-holding patients towards the recovery, right with collaborating with doctors to getting them better on all their criteria. We have them on recovery on their health and wellness.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Mr. Udit, you're not only here tonight at the Health 2.0 conference being held in Dubai. Tell us what it feels like to receive recognition for your accomplishments.
Um, I think it feels extremely gratifying and acknowledgement of the work that I've put in over the last couple of years in this field. And well, I would tell you that a smile on every patient, every client is an award in itself. But such a platform recognizing your work and honoring a coach who's working towards the well-being of others is truly special and truly gratifying. So, absolutely wonderful.
That sounds wonderful. Congratulations. You said, oh, a smile on a patient's face is all you need, but that's honestly so touching. Congratulations again on your award. Tell us how you're finding the conference 2.0 so far. How's your networking and learning experience been?
I think it's pretty immersive. I think it's pretty there's a lot to learn over here. We're not only meeting other healthcare professionals from various backgrounds, various geographical regions, various modalities, but we're also being I think introduced to various technologies which can further patient outcomes and improve well-being, like the glove technology which we were just introduced to. So uh, it's a question of integrating human consciousness and technology where both can be combined to improve patient outcomes. And I think this Health 2.0 conference is a great culmination of that. And it's definitely, it's groundbreaking.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful. Could you tell us a little bit about functional medicine? You said
Yes.
functional medicine is what you specialize in.
Absolutely. So functional medicine is also known as root cause medicine, and we work on the underlying causes of dysfunction as opposed to just the symptoms of those diseases. For example, look at something like psoriasis. People would talk about psoriasis being a skin condition. However, in functional medicine, we realize that it's actually happening because of a lot of dysfunction in the gut and a heightened immune system. So we try to work on the root cause. Our lens is very Eastern, so we borrow a lot from the approach of Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. But we use the modalities of the West. We use cutting edge research. We use diagnostics. We use the GI map, which gives you a representation of your gut. So that's what functional medicine is. Also, the way it's different from a conventional medicine is that I think conventional medicine works a lot in silos where you have a heart specialist, you have a lung specialist, you have a kidney specialist. In functional medicine, we look at the interplay of the various, not just the body parts, not just the body systems, but also the mind on health. And we take that into consideration and we try to create a better patient outcome for the patient.
That sounds wonderful. You learn new things every day. You mentioned that psoriasis is how I used to pronounce it, is actually from because of heightened immune system. I didn't know that. That's actually quite interesting.
Yeah.
So would you say you're against conventional medicine then?
Absolutely not. We work in conjunct with conventional medicine. It's just that our orientation is not towards fighting disease per se, which conventional medicine is great at, but also with an impetus on focusing on positive wellness. So it is about not just going for the jog because I need to control my diabetes, but also doing that because I want to live a more whole, healthier, and complete life. So it's a positive orientation and not just that I don't want to die, so I'm going to have the pill approach. So we work in conjunct with conventional medicine and we join hands with conventional medicine, and that's the way we all move forward.
That sounds wonderful, honestly. That's quite interesting. Tell us a little bit about the difference between fitness, health, and wellness.
Sure.
Interesting.
Fitness, yeah, absolutely, yes, definitely. It's a very interesting question. I must acknowledge that. Fitness would probably just be, I think, the physical aspect where you're able to do things. Able to use your body for a variety of functions and being able to do a wide variety of activities. That is something you're physically capable. So that would be probably the definition of fitness. I would then there's a larger circle of health above that, which is your body working not just from the outside well, but also working from the inside well, which is health. So how is your body systems interacting with each other? Whether it is your hormones, whether it is your your insulin sensitivity, whether it is your excretion systems, how are they excretion of toxins? How are they working in sync and well with each other to create harmony within your system? And I think the biggest circle, which would include fitness and health, is wellness.
Wellness.
It's about being it's about being healthy, but at the same time also uh, having a subtle feeling of happiness and enjoyment in your life. Um, and I like to just stress on the fact that health is an integral part of wellness, but wellness doesn't depend on health. Today, if I have a disease, I can still be well by adjusting my perspective, by acceptance, by practicing gratitude. I can bring into my life a spirit of well-being without being dependent on having a six-pack today or having perfect blood markers today. I think well-being just overlaps and envelops the entire thing, which I think is the most important part of um, of our existence. To be well, to be happy, to have gratitude. So I think it's the overlying structure of health and fitness.
That completes the circle. Wellness includes physical fitness, bodily fitness, and emotional and overall fitness. That's honestly great intel. Thank you so much. I'm sure a lot of people are inspired and want to reach you for collaboration, maybe for
Yeah.
advice.
Yeah.
Where can they reach you?
Absolutely. So I have a website called sathealthandwellness.com. By the way, Sat is a Sanskrit word for purity and truth,
Okay.
and that's where the name for my organization came about. Also, if you want to reach me directly, I have my credentials on Instagram. So my name is Udit Satsangi, and my credential on Instagram is Satsangi Udit. So that's an easy way to reach out to me. I am trying to help people one person at a time, and I'm most happy to collaborate with other doctors, healthcare professionals, and talk to patients directly if I can add value in any way. And thank you so much for your thought provoking and intrigue and
The honor is
really
ours.
thought provoking questions. And
Excellent.
it's
We're so
been
glad you're enjoying the conference. Thank you so much. People like you actually add value to the conference and make it what it is.
thank you so much. It's been a pleasure being here. I look forward to coming here for the future editions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations on being an honoree.
Thank you.
May many such awards come your way in future.
Thank you.
So much, Mr.
Thank you.
Udit.
God willing. Thank
Thank
you so